Hello again. This is Elizabeth Meneray from Meneray Family Law here in New Orleans, coming to you with what I hope will be useful information relative to the Rampart Guide, which was produced in conjunction with the Ella Project to assist creatives like you in preparing and protecting your legacy. Today, I wanted to talk about what happens after you've written a will and you have decided maybe some time has gone by, or maybe you've gone through a major life change or event that causes you to want to make some changes to your will. How do you do that? Well, one way that you can do it is to simply write a new will from scratch. And remember that a will in Louisiana can be simply a handwritten piece of paper as long as it's completely written by you, signed by you, and dated by you, then that is a valid will. And in that new will, you would say that you were revoking all prior wills. And that would be one way to do it, just to include the new information. Another way is called a codicil. And a codicil is a written piece of paper that expresses your desire to change your original will. And so you would keep it with your original will to make sure that when it came time to do your succession or probate in other states, that both documents would be read as one entire document. Some reasons that people may want to make changes to their will could include maybe the birth or death of a child, a decision to add another beneficiary, perhaps a marriage or divorce, things of that nature that are relatively major and can affect your plan for your legacy. And so the codicil, if you decide to go that route, it needs to still be in the same format that is recognized by Louisiana law as being a valid will. So either you're doing that in the holographic fashion that we just described, or you're having it drawn up by an attorney, where it will be signed and witnessed and notarized in the same way that maybe your original will was. But however you decide to do it, whether by holographic means or by using an attorney, you certainly should know that you're free to make changes to your will throughout your life. But make sure that your executor or executrix knows that you've updated the will. Make sure they know where to find that will or provide them with a copy so that ultimately the entirety of your plan for your legacy is carried out the way that you direct. Good luck to you, and thank you so much for listening. I appreciate this opportunity to bring this information to you.